Model, 2014 Volkswagen Caddy 1.6 TDI Highline Silver 1.6 TDI needs clutch. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 143626. MOT, 25 May 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Clutch is worn and will need replacing, still runs and drives just a little hard going into gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.